my side where it is felt. I pack a little pistol on my pistol belt. I think it might be fear of the world and the way it makes you feel afraid. Under the skin, against the skull, they put a little chip so that they know it all. I think I might be scared of the world and the way it makes you feel afraid and how, yeah, it gets in the way, in the way, in the way, in the way. And I want brimstone in my garden. I want roses set on fire. And well, I want what's best for me. And well, I think I know just what that means. Just what that means. Pistol party and I kill them all. I think I might be scared of the man and the men with the hands inside, and the women, all they do is cry. And well, I lose my mind. I lose my mind. I lose my mind. And now I found brimstone in my garden. I found roses set on fire. And I found Jesus, what a liar. So I trade licks with the muddy waters. And well, I found what's best for me. And now I see no tragedy. And well, I found a burning rose. And now I won't be packing little pistols. No, no, no more.
This world is not meant for you. Run, boy, run. They're trying to catch you. Run, boy, run. Running is a victory. Run, boy, run. Beauty lies behind the hills. Run, boy, run. The sun will be guiding you. Run, boy, run. They're trying to stop you. Run, boy, run. This race is a prophecy. Run, boy, run. Break out from society. Always another day, hey. And you don't have to hide away, yeah. You'll be a man, boy. But for now it's time to run. It's time to run.
guys, thanks for watching this speed paint, and I have an announcement. I have launched a Patreon. You can pledge money each month at different links, and you can get different rewards that'll pop up on screen now depending on what money you pledge. It'd be great if you pledged. I'll have like special live streams where I request what my Patreons want. Thanks for watching the speed paint. Bye.